The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Kupiansk direction, the Tsentr Group of forces artillery and army aviation has hit enemy manpower and armor close to Stelmakovka, Lugansk People's Republic, Vyuknaya, Stepovaya Novoselovka, Tabievka, and Sinkonka, Kharkov region. Up to 70 Ukrainian troops, 1 armored fighting vehicle, and 4 pickup trucks were destroyed. Moreover, an ammunition depot of PPL, the 127th Territorial Defense Brigade, was neutralized close to Lukyantsy, Kharkov region. In Krasny Liman direction, ground attack and army aviation, artillery, and heavy flamethrower systems of the Tsentr Group of forces engaged the units of the Armed Forces of Ukraine AFU close to Nevskoye, Chervenaya Dibrova, Lugansk People's Republic, Serebryanka and Grigorovka, Donetsk People's Republic. More than 90 Ukrainian servicemen, 4 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, and 2 D-30 howitzers have been destroyed during the day in this direction. In total, 404 airplanes and 225 helicopters, 3,587 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,415 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,073 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,440 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,126 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 660 servicemen in a single day, including 15 tanks, 15 armored fighting vehicles as well as 8 artillery units and 2 air defense systems. In total, Kremlin lost 170,550 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,595 tanks, 6,947 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 396 days. There is still no peace talk agreements between two sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of 44 separate artillery brigade named after Hetman Danilo Apostol destroys the enemy in the Zaporizhzhia direction. The total losses of the Russian troops in these directions are not countable. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelenskiy in a statement March 26 said this week Ukraine has a decision on new defense support packages from the United States, Lithuania, Finland, Germany. The Swedish parliament has already approved the 11th defense support package for Ukraine. There is a security package and strong agreements with Japan. I thank Prime Minister Kishida once again for the productive visit, Zelensky said.
Маємо за цей тиждень рішення про нові пакети оборонної підтримки від Сполучених Штатів, Литви, Фінляндії, Німеччини. Шведський парламент затвердив вже 11-й пакет оборонної підтримки України. Є безпековий пакет, є в цілому сильні домовленості з Японією.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.